Ever since Sony announced the a7R III mirrorless camera, people have been asking me if I think it's worth upgrading if they already own the a7R II. In today's video, I'll give you my top reasons why you may want to consider it. Welcome back to The Breakdown. My name is Miguel Quiles. Without wasting any time, let's dig right into my top 5 reasons to consider upgrading if you already own the a7R II. Reason number 1, the battery. One of the criticisms of photographers switching from DSLR cameras is that the battery life wasn't as good as what they were used to. The reason for this is boiled down to simple mathematics. DSLR batteries like those found in the Canon 5D series run off of a 1,865 milliamp battery, while the a7 I and II series batteries run off of a 1,020 milliamp battery. Comparing this to the new a7R III Z series battery, you now get a 2,280 milliamp hour battery that lasts significantly longer. I can often shoot several times over the course of a week and not have to change my batteries at all. If you go through 2 or 3 batteries a day when shooting with the a7R II, you may want to consider upgrading. Reason number 2, dual card slots. Another feature that wedding and event shooters have been asking for is dual card slots. The a7R III now offers dual card slots, one of which gives you faster UHS-2 card speeds. Now you could choose to use the second card slot to duplicate your images from the first card. You could shoot RAW on the first card and JPEGs on the second, or you could even use one slot for photos and the other for video. This flexibility is something professionals have been looking for and is now offered in the a7R III. Reason number 3, better connectivity. These days it seems to be a trend where products are offering you less connectivity options. Not so with the a7R III. You now have USB 2 and 3.0 along with a sync port for you to use with your flashes. It also keeps the headphone and microphone jacks as well as an HDMI output to give you more flexibility than ever to use your camera with a variety of devices. Now, as a studio photographer who often shoots tethered, I'm excited for the inclusion of USB 3.0. File transfers to my computer are so much faster, and as we all know, time is money. Reason number 4, better autofocus performance. The a7R III has improved autofocusing, the same system that Sony put into its big brother, the a9. It's twice as fast as the a7R II in both response and tracking. This comes in handy when using the eye autofocus feature, which can now find the eye in the frame even when the subject is in low light, has something slightly covering their face, or even when they're looking down. Reason number 5, joystick and touchscreen. 2 highly requested features were added to the a7R III, which is the inclusion of the joystick and touchscreen functionality. The joystick will help you quickly move your focusing point around the screen when using spot focusing, and if that's not enough, you can even touch the screen to select where you want the camera to focus. It works tremendously well and could be a big reason you might want to consider the upgrade. These are just a handful of reasons why the a7R III is such an appealing camera. Along with the reasons I mentioned, video shooters are also getting 120 frames per second HD video compared to 60 frames per second in the a7R II, and 5K oversampling and Super 35 mode to give you stunningly detailed 4K video. You also get HLG or hybrid log gamma picture profiles to give you the ability to shoot HDR video. When it comes to shooting stills, you could shoot up to 10 frames per second with a mechanical shutter, which again is double what you get in the a7R II. You get all of these features at the same original price point of the a7R II. If you want more information, be sure to check out Adorama.com and the Adorama Learning Center. If you have questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. While you're here, make sure that you subscribe to the channel as new videos are posted every day. You'll be notified so you can stay on top of everything. Thank you so much for watching The Breakdown, and I will see you all in the next episode. Bye, everybody.